the unit, we need to recognize that our ribbon cable for that front touchscreen is in this general location, and just to the right of the home button is where our Wi-Fi antenna is adhered to the bottom side of the touchscreen. So when we peel back our front touchscreen, let's be mindful of these two pieces as to not cause irreversible damage. Time to begin our entry into the iPad. Let's first start with our heat gun or blow dryer and begin to soften up the adhesive around the perimeter. About 1 to 2 minutes of the heat should suffice. Our triangle opening tools. Let's bring in our plastic opening tool, and you'll also notice in this video that we use a simple razor blade. We found that the razor blade is the easiest way to start the separation of the touchscreen from the iPad bezel. With your separation started with the razor blade, we can then bring in our plastic opening tool to continue the separation all the way around the perimeter of the iPad. As we work the opening on one side, you'll notice we fit a triangle opening tool into the gap. This is to keep the adhesive from coming back in touch with itself as we work ourselves all the way around the unit. secures the motherboard into the iPad. Two on either side of the board